Hello dear students, I am Dr. Govind Lohia from Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy, Nagpur. Here in this channel we are discussing about the physical pharmaceutics of your third semester B Pharmacy, and today I am going to cover the complexation and protein binding part 1. In this particular video we are going to see that what are the complexation, definition of complexation, their types, that means classification of complexation, and application of complexation. Dear students, I have received so many comments from the South Indian students that please explain in the English itself. Also, I received comments from the North Indian side, that is Rajasthan and UP. They asked me to explain the entire my presentation, that means mixed language, that is English as well as Hindi. So, by considering the variety of the students, I am trying to explain English as well as in Hindi. So please consider. So particularly today we are saying that complexation. Let's start with the complexation. So the unit 4 of your PCI syllabus contains that complexation and protein binding introduction, classification of complexation and application. So today we just see the introduction, then application and then classification of complexation. Okay. So in the classification where I am just going to tell you the enlist, that means classification, enlistment of the classification. The detailed description will be in the next video. So what is the definition of complexation? So as per the Martin, if we talk about the complexation, so complexation and the coordinate compounds result from the donor acceptor mechanism. It is a classical definition of the complex or coordinate compound that results from the donor acceptor mechanism, or we can say that Lewis acid base mechanism between two or more different chemical constituents. What I am trying to say over here, that is acceptor and donor mechanism. Acceptor means what? Someone is going to say accept particularly in the chemistry, that is the acceptance means electron or pair of electron, and donor means that is the compound or constituents try to donate the electron. So the concept of the acceptor and donor is based on the electron. At the same time, we will talk about Lewis acid and base mechanism. Again, the compound which can donate the lone pair of electron can act as a Lewis base, and the compound which can accept the lone pair of electron is to be called as Lewis acid. This is very well defined definition of the Lewis acid base mechanism. So complexes or coordinate compound result from a donor acceptor mechanism or Lewis acid base mechanism between two or more different chemical constituents. So this is as per the Martin definition. Sometimes I'm saying that the definition is from the Subramanian, CPS Subramanian book. Again, they are explaining that most of the bonds in the complex compound or coordinate compounds can be explained very well with the classical theory of valence. That means it is covalent bond, it is sigma bond, pi bond, and likewise. But few of the bonds are anomalous in behavior. Anomalous means I am not, or the theory is not going to explain how it is going to form. Okay, so this is the definition as per the CBS. What I am trying to say is that the question is for 2 marks, and if you want to pen down, you can pen down the definition, both the definition in your answer sheet. What the complexes are nothing but as per the classical definition, it is result from the acceptor and donor mechanism or Lewis base mechanism between two or more different chemical constituents. Now come to the this droid cam window. I am trying to explain over here. Now, if I am saying that application of complexation, so let's come with the first part of today's discussion over here after definition. Application. What are the different applications? So, if we talk about application, there are huge application of the complex compound. Very first application is the drug. Complex compound act as a drug. For example, if I am talking about cisplatin, you know the cisplatin. Cisplatin is nothing but dichlorodiamine platinum. If I am talking about cisplatin, is dichlorodiamine platinum. Okay, so this is cisplatin. If we make the compound is like this one, diamine means this is diamine, this is dichloro. Okay, so by this way we can say that this compound act as an anti-cancer agent, and anti-cancer, if I am talking about anti-cancer compound, so drug which comes under the category of complexation or coordinate compound, in which very first drug is cisplatin, and cisplatin is nothing but anti-cancer drug. So this is very first application of the complex compound. Not only this, if we talk about povidone iodine ointment, second example, this is first example, second example is povidone iodine. So povidone iodine, what the structure itself indicate that it is iodine is very good antiseptic in nature. Okay, the basic problem with the iodine is that is the vaporization of iodine. It is a volatile nature. So as soon as we open the iodine bottle, it gets vaporized, and there is a problem. But it is very good antiseptic when it liberates. So for that reason, I need to make a complexation of iodine so that it can be reduce the volatility and it serve the purpose. So the second example under the drug category is povidone iodine ointment, and if I am talking about the povidone iodine ointment, the structure is very simple. So if you say that this structure, go with this one over here, CH2. Again, the same structure you have to build over here. By this side, you can over here CH. By this side, this one. This is N. This point O and this point O, and in between there is H. This H bear a positive charge and I3 bear a negative charge, and there is a complexation between this. So acceptor donor complexation is over here. This is povidone. Again, look at the structure. This is a ring CH, CH2. Again, same ring structure. In between O, O, H and I3. So this is what exactly povidone iodine ointment. Okay. So this the most important of this structure, that is when we talk about this, it can be what is the application of this. Iodine is very good antiseptic in nature. The first thing is this, and we need to complex iodine to provide it antiseptic, or it provide its efficient, effective say, drug action. Not only this, if I am applying the iodine, it can be easily removed because iodine itself insoluble in water. So when I am going to apply iodine, so it must be removed from the say applied region, and for that reason it must be made into the water soluble form. So again, water soluble form is nothing but what we are going to say povidone iodine ointment. So this is the application. So up till now we have seen definition of complexation. Up till now we have gone through application, first application, that is drug cisplatin and povidone iodine ointment. Povidone iodine, we are going to say that iodine is volatile in nature, and for that reason I need to complex the iodine with the suitable complexing agent, and we have complexed with the povidone. It reduces the volatility of the iodine. Not only this, it serves the purpose of iodine, that is antiseptic in nature. At the same time, it that make the iodine in a water soluble form. So these are the certain applications. Now again, next, this is about the drug. Second application is change in the physical state. Physical state. So what I am talking about physical state. So if we discuss about liquid formulation, so liquid is very difficult to handle during the formulation and processing. If I am convert this liquid into solid form, that can be easily use the process stabilization, or that can be improve the process characteristics. For example, if I am talking about nitroglycerin. Nitroglycerin is liquid in nature. If I am combining nitroglycerin with beta cyclodextrin BCD, then what happens? Nitroglycerin and BCD is crystalline in nature or in solid in nature, and it gives a better characteristics. So by using complexation, we can convert the state of a liquid to solid, and that can improve the process characteristics. Example, nitroglycerin, beta cyclodextrin complex, solid formulation gives the improve. What is the nitroglycerin used? Nitroglycerin used is as a vasodilator. And vasodilator is for what purpose? When there is a say heart attack like situation, we used to use nitroglycerin patches. Okay, so this is all about nitroglycerin. Now next, if we talk about stability, so Third application is about stability. Stability, let us say that vitamin A, vitamin D, these are the certain compounds which can be need to be stabilized, and this can be stabilized with the help of again BCD, beta cyclodextrin. So complexation of vitamin A and vitamin D with BCD stabilize the formulation. So stabilize the compound. So this can be chemically stabilized. So this is one more important aspect. Now, so up till now we see that drug, physical state and stability are the application. Now moving towards the next fourth application, if I am talking about the fourth application, that is the solubility. Solubility, if I am going to improve the solubility by complexation, then definitely there is an improvement in the resolution. So solubility and resolution can be combined application. So it is not up to the exactly, but what we are trying to say, many example of solubility enhancements of the complexation has been reported in so many scientific papers. Right now I am going to say that the concentration of caffeine enhances the solubility of para-aminobenzoic acid, that is PABA. PABA solubility can be enhances with complexation with caffeine. So this one more example. So you can go with this example. Okay. So right now I am trying to convince you or trying to say you that complexation means what? According to classical theory of donor and acceptor mechanism, or according to Lewis acid base mechanism, the bond formation between two chemical constituents is to be called as complex compound or coordinate compound. Not only this, according to Subramanian sir, whatever the complexation or coordinate compounds are, most of the bonds are explained with the classical theory of valence, and few of the bonds are anomalous in behavior. Moving towards the next application, yes, we have gone through a very first application, that is a drug, cisplatin and povidone iodine ointment or povidone iodine. Now, what is the use of cisplatin? You have to mention, and what is the povidone iodine and what is its advantage? That is iodine vaporized form. We have made it into the that is reduces the volatility. Not only this, we serve the iodine purpose, that is antiseptic and water solubility. Now moving toward the next physical state, yes, we have changed the physical state from liquid to solid, and it improved the process characteristics. Like example is nitroglycerin and beta cyclodextrin. Side stability, yes, vitamin complexation of the vitamin A and D with BCD also improve the stability. Solubility, it is reported that most of the complex compound and coordinate compound shows the improved stability. For example, by addition of certain amount of caffeine in PABA improves the solubility of PABA. So, and as soon as improve the solubility of PABA, we can say that there is an improvement in the dissolution rate. Even you can go through so many papers which include the inclusion complexation of BCD, inclusion complexation, and which shows the improved solubility. So this one is the most important. Even most of the students, if they are going to perform the M.Pharm, they used to improve the solubility of poorly water soluble drug by using complexation method. So one of the method is beta cyclodextrin inclusion complexation, which improve the solubility. So this is all about solubility and dissolution part. Now absorption and viability, yes, if we talk about over here absorption and viability, a classical example I am going to show you about the tetracycline. Absorption and bioavailability. So over here, absorption and viability, if we talk about absorption and viability, tetracycline is used to avoid, tetracycline is antibiotic, and usually it is said that it is used to avoid with the milk and milk related products. So we used to avoid the tetracycline with milk or milk related products. Why there is such a requirement? Simple thing is that because tetracyclines are antibiotic which may form the complexation or which are going to form the complexation with the calcium and magnesium. So if we are taking the tetracycline with milk or milk related milk containing or milk related products, then there is a calcium in the milk, and that may complexes with the tetracycline and making the tetracycline difficult to absorb. And if it is difficult to absorb, then there is a decrease in the viability. So that's why it is one more important aspect why tetracycline is not taken with the food like milk and milk related products, because they reduces the absorption and as well as viability by making the complex formation. So this happens with the tetracycline. On the other hand, if we talk about the beta cyclodextrin complexes like indomethacin and barbiturate have enhanced the drug viability. So any one example you can explain. So this one is the classical example you can explain. Now 6th point is antidote. Antidote in metal poisoning. So this is very good example if we are talking about complexation application. So antidote in metal poisoning. Yes, if we talk about arsenic, mercury, antimony, so these are the heavy metals which may cause, if I talk about arsenic, mercury, so these are the heavy metal which usually let's say toxic in nature, and they bind with the SH containing group. Which one? SH containing group. If that means they bind to SH containing group of various enzyme and decreases the enzyme activity. So they are binding to the enzymes SH group, and by this way they act as a toxic in nature. So if I am using any SH containing group in the toxicity of mercury as an antidote, then that will be a complexation between the SH containing of that antidote with this heavy metal rather than with the enzyme. So it will be more helpful. So I need to choose such a agent which having a SH containing group and bind to this heavy metal. So BAL is one of the reagent, BAL. British, make this. This is the question for GPAT. British, BAL is nothing but for which one is for heavy metal, which antidote is used? Answer is BAL, British anti-lewisite. Okay, British anti-lewisite. So this is antidote is used for the what we say metal poisoning. So if you want a structure, it is a very simple structure. Likewise, this one is OH, or there is OH and there is SH. So it is SH containing. So British anti-lewisite is antidote for metal poisoning. So this is one more example in the say application of the complex compound over here. Now you can go with the, again I am going to repeat it, definition is very simple definition. Now application, the drug, in that drug you have to explain about the cisplatin and povidone iodine. You have to explain about what do you mean by povidone iodine. Physical state, yes, liquid to solid. For the process, improve the process characteristics. Give an example of nitroglycerin with beta cyclodextrin. Now stability, yes, beta cyclodextrin complexation with the vitamin A and D. Solubility and dissolution. You have to explain that there is a certain mechanism established which enhance the solubility with the complexation method. For example, PABA and caffeine solubility enhancement, beta cyclodextrin inclusion, improve the solubility. Not only this, you can go with the absorption and viability. Yes, bioabsorption and viability. The classical example is tetracycline with milk. Usually avoid tetracyclines to be taken with the milk and milk related products. Reason behind there is a formation of complexation with the calcium present in the milk with the tetracycline, make it decrease in the absorption and as well as reduction in the viability. At the same time, it can be used for antidote in metal poisoning. Yes, antidote in metal poisoning like arsenic and mercury. These are the heavy metals which combine with the SH group of enzyme and decreases the enzyme activity and give the toxic effect. And for that reason, if we reduce the attachment of this arsenic or heavy metal to the enzyme SH group, we must use BAL, British anti-lewisite, as a compound as antidote for this say metal poisoning. So this is now right now. Now last one is if we talk about the 6th, 7th application, and this is the last application, is antibacterial activity. Antibacterial activity. This is application. So one example is anti-tubercular drug like PAS, that is para-amino-salicylic acid, is known as a cupric complex and also as a chelates. So this is to be considered as you can say that anti-tubercular drug, only anti-TB drug, anti-tuberculosis drug like PAS, that is para-amino salicylic acid, complexation with whom, complexation with cupric ion, cupric, and what it is to be called chelates, and that can be a very good example of this one. It again, if you want to add something like I'm showing you, the thing is that in presentation, if you go through the presentation, in the previous slide, this one, if you see over here, this is one more classical example. What we say that this is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is nothing but a complex compound which is present in our body, and it can carry a oxygen molecule. So this is hemoglobin structure. This is a complex compound. Not only this, this is inclusion complex by BCD or gamma CD. This is inclusion complex. This is chlorophyll, which can observe in say photosynthesis, and this is cisplatin example. So these are the certain application. Hopefully यहाँ आपको application समझ में आए होंगे. Next, now moving to the next part. Just I am saying you, I am going to show you the classification, and from next lecture we are seeing detailed classification. So now hopefully you have understood about the definition of the complexation as per the Martin as well as per the CVS Subramaniam sir. Not only this, you have gone through a application of the complexation and now classification. So classification, that is, first is the metal ion complexation. Second one, if I am talking organic molecular complexes, organic molecular complexes. If I am talking, next one is then inclusion complexes. In metal ion complexes, they are further categorized into inorganic one. Then in inorganic, then after that chelates. Chelates, the classical example we have already seen that in chelates, that is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, that chelates with the heavy metal, that is the chelates with the calcium, and that can be used for the as a anticoagulant. So inorganic chelate. Then olefin types. Olefins are nothing but alkenes, so olefin type. Then fourth one is aromatic one. Aromatic, that is ring compound. In aromatic there is pi, sigma, and sandwich. So if you are seeing, if you are going with the latest edition of the Martin, then sandwich and sigma are somehow not mentioned. But if you go with the third edition, then there is a mention about the sigma and sandwich. Okay, so this is all about metal ion complexes. Now in organic one, if we go with the, then first one is the Quine hadron type. So sometimes only the question about 2 mass enlist the classification of the complexes. There might be chances. Okay, so Quine hadron type. Then second one is picric acid. Then caffeine. Just we have seen in the application, caffeine can combine with PABA and improve the solubility of PABA. So PABA caffeine complexes with the drug. And the fourth one is the polymer type. Okay, and in inclusion, again we are going with the channel lattice type. That is, one is channel, another is lattice, and there is channel lattice type complexation. Someone layer type, clathrates, and inclusion about monomolecular and macromolecular. Monomolecular and macromolecular. So these are all about the complexation classification. Hopefully you have gone through complexation classification, and this is all about complexation classification. So the question may be for application question may be for 2 marks. This classification question may be for 2 marks. In next video we are going to see detail about the classification, particularly inorganic and if possible chelates. So till then, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and share the link with your colleague. Thank you.